My name is Matt Joanou. I am CEO and co-founder of Stakeholder Labs. Stakeholder Labs is a software platform that allows publicly traded companies to offer rewards, benefits, exclusivity, and access to anyone that's a shareholder in their company. Plug and Play came on my radar probably 8 years ago. So I had been working at Google for about 4 or 5 years, left Google and was working for a startup, and we were in the design thinking space and met some folks that then went on to work at Plug and Play. So it was this almost full circle moment when Plug and Play reached out when they saw that I had left Reddit to start this new company and said, hey, would you be interested in exploring what it would look like to participate in a Plug and Play program? Being pre-product market fit, I think we were looking for feedback. We wanted to talk to corporations. We wanted to get a sense of were we going in the right direction? Does this feature set work for someone? Are we solving a real pain point? And ultimately, what is the value we're creating for these companies? And so Plug and Play's network and their corporate clients allow us to have those conversations and really dictate what we're going to do from a product roadmap standpoint and from a go-to-market standpoint. So that's been hugely helpful. And I think beyond that, anytime you're able to be amongst other founders that are at a similar stage, there's community, there's solidarity in the journey that you're going through, and just the ability to hear from others what they're going through, what have their solutions been, what have their challenges been, and being in this batch with similar companies and similar founders has been hugely helpful. When we were fundraising, we were very interested in what was added value. The capital is hugely important and it's something that we can't build a business without, but we're looking through the lens of what else can these investors bring to the table. And so understanding beyond kind of the advice, the guidance, what were like the tangible things that could be delivered was hugely helpful. So the exposure, connection into potential clients, pipeline potential talent was all very interesting with Plug and Play. As far as general questions that were unexpected, I think how we see the world evolving, especially as we deal with public markets and we deal with companies in public markets, I think there were a few questions around what direction do we see the world going? And those are big questions. And I think we have our hypotheses and our sense of where things are growing, like this ownership economy, where the next generation, let's say millennials, Gen Z, they're starting to invest in the companies that they know and love. And we think that's a huge opportunity for corporations to lean into that and to start bringing more of those customers, investors, stakeholders in general to the table as owners and engaging with them in that context. I'd encourage founders, lean in and take advantage of the opportunity. There's always 1,001 things that you have to do, and sometimes participating feels like one more thing to do. These are compounding moments in the early stage, and taking advantage of them and leaning in will pay dividends down the road.